Okay, here we're going to use the if-else statements. We're going to compare two numbers. We're going to see if two numbers divide into each other. Okay, so we're going to write a program. Somebody's going to enter the first number. Then we'll see what they want to divide it by and check and see if they divide evenly into each other. Okay, so if I got an input, I need a variable. So I'll just say x equals, I want to put in an integer, and it's an input. So we'll say enter a number. I'm going to say y equals, because again, we got an input. We have to have a variable. I want this one to also be an integer. It's an input. What do you want to divide by? All right, so our first if statement, or only if statement in this program, we want to check to see, to make sure that it doesn't have a remainder. I'm going to say if x mod y, remember use the percent sign, kind of like a division sign, but it's just checking to see if it has remainder. So if the remainder does not equal 0, in other words, if it has a remainder, I'll put my colon there. Now everything that's indented is part of that if statement. I'm going to say print the numbers do not divide evenly. Push enter, backspace, else, put my colon, print, and then I just want them to give us the number. So we'll say print x divided by y. Okay, computers are a little bit slow. All right, so let's enter a number. Let's say 392. Does it divide by 56? Yes, divides evenly. So 56 times 7 is 392. Try running again. Let's say 655. Does that divide evenly to 232? The numbers do not divide evenly. And we could try simpler numbers. Let's just do something simple like 9 divided by 4. No, those don't divide evenly. Let's say 10 divided by 5 is 2. Okay, so that's the if-else with the does not equal to.